Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Camp Nou construction site on the first day of 2026. After a period of massive progress, unforgettable moments, and nonstop construction, a new year begins. Today, we begin 2026 with key updates from Camp Nou, focusing on the stands, the slats, and the growing compression ring. Let's enjoy this walk around the Camp Nou construction site as we step into what promises to be an even bigger 2026. Let's start our first day here in the stands. I'm seeing some interesting activity up here on the scaffolding. We already saw movement yesterday, and today the work is continuing. They're installing panels here, and from this distance, it's hard to see exactly what they are. At first glance, it's not clear whether these are glass panels or sheets. However, we can clearly see sparks, which suggests they're working with metal sheets. If anyone knows exactly what these panels are, feel free to clarify it in the comments. Down here, as we've seen in recent days, a lot of prefabricated bleachers and stair elements have been arriving. Work is ongoing around the elevator structures, which still seem to need endless adjustments. Even when they look finished, there always seems to be another piece missing. We can see multiple lifting platforms in use and a crane in the background that looks ready to lift more elements. Many prefabricated bleachers have been temporarily placed on top of the diamond area to keep the ground clear, as more trucks continue to arrive. To the right, another lifting platform is active, placing structural pieces. Some workers appear to be welding, which we can tell from the sparks and protective vests. A worker in a red vest is adjusting chains or securing elements, although the exact action isn't fully visible from this angle. Apart from this, there's no major change visible in the upper structure of this section. Facing the slats, we can see significant progress. Yesterday, only the first sections were in place, but now they've reached the first overhang. Today, however, all lifting platforms are stopped, and the orange crane used for slat installation is inactive. This confirms that no slats will be lifted today, and work will resume next week. Progress on the right side is paused due to the stair and elevator structures still needing completion. Here in the corner, we can see a new massive structural piece, delivered since yesterday. This is another component for the compression ring. This area continues to be one of the most active zones, with large quantities of material stored here, including slats and glass panels. Ongoing in the ramp area, the surface appears freshly poured, and workers are actively spreading and smoothing the concrete. This confirms continued progress in ground-level infrastructure. From the front of the diamond, we can see several workers active inside. On other days, this area has been completely still, but today there is some visible movement. There's still a large amount of material stored here, and while progress has been slow, work continues under the concrete slabs, mainly related to pipes and internal installations. At the moment, we don't see joints for the slat supports on these beams. Work here is focused on lower pipe systems. We're now in the south goal area, where there's noticeable movement from multiple lifting platforms. Inside the stair areas, several workers are active, and one lifting platform is being raised while another moves into position. As for the slat supports, no new ones have been installed in the exterior section. This part of the corner remains unchanged over the past few days. On the upper levels, we can see several lifting platforms near the pillars, although tree branches partially block the view. The anchors for the slat supports have been in place here for some time. These won't be used until the elevator structures are fully completed, as lifting platforms and machinery still need access to this area. Connections for the diagonal supports are already prepared, meaning this section is structurally ready once installation begins. Moving closer to the corner, we can see supports being installed for a higher safety net, similar to what we already have in other sections. At the moment, there are no major changes in the anchor points here. Some are still missing, and this area remains largely unchanged. Now facing the side area, the most important update becomes clear. They have already raised the second pillar for the compression ring. We can clearly see the top of this pillar, meaning there are now two pillars installed on this side. Little by little, the compression ring is taking shape. The welding flames continue, and the structure is growing steadily. Once the slats are installed across the three overhangs, this section is going to look absolutely incredible. At the north goal, we can see joints installed on beams. the same type used later for slat supports. Several lifting platforms are active here, working around pistons and beam installations. Although progress appears slow, this area is structurally well advanced. One key update here is the central pillar, which is now being reinforced with steel. Scaffolding has been installed, and this pillar will soon be formworked and concreted, one of the last remaining pillars on this side. In the corner area, we notice an important visual change. The block walls have been painted black, which they were not yesterday. This matches the areas behind the slats and signals the beginning of finishing touches in certain sections. This brings us to the end of our first video of 2026. I want to wish you all a happy new year. The year has ended, and another incredible year is about to begin here at the Camp Nou construction site. That's all for today's update. If you enjoyed this progress report, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single update on the stadium's transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next Camp Nou update.